Have you ever noticed you don't think as much as you used to? A simple question comes to your mind, and instead of thinking, you just search it. Or worse, you ask AI, and within seconds, you have the answer. No struggle, no confusion, no thinking, just results. And at first, it feels amazing, fast, easy, effortless. But here's a question most people are not asking. What happens to your brain when you stop thinking? We are living in a time where thinking is becoming optional. You don't need to remember things anymore. You don't need to solve problems deeply. You don't even need to sit with a question, because technology is always ready to answer it for you. And slowly, without realizing it, your brain starts taking shortcuts. Why think when something else can think for you? But here's the problem. Your brain is like a muscle. The less you use it, the weaker it becomes. AI makes you feel smart. You get better answers, better ideas, better words. But those ideas aren't really yours. And over time, you start depending on it. Not just for answers, but for clarity, for decisions, for direction. And that's where things get dangerous. Because thinking is not just about answers. It's about understanding. It's about struggling with ideas. It's about forming your own perspective. When you skip that process, you don't grow. You just consume. The change doesn't happen suddenly. It's slow, quiet, almost invisible. You stop questioning things deeply. You lose patience for complex problems. You avoid mental effort, and your attention becomes weaker. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain has learned. There's an easier way. There's a difference between using tools and depending on them. Right now, many people are crossing that line. Instead of thinking first, they search first. Instead of forming opinions, they copy them. Instead of exploring ideas, they outsource them. And slowly, thinking becomes something you do less and less, until one day, you realize you don't trust your own mind anymore. But is AI really the problem? Here's the truth. AI is not the enemy. It's a tool, a powerful one. It can help you learn faster, think better, understand deeper, but only if you use it the right way. The real problem is not AI, it's how we use it. If you use AI to replace thinking, your mind becomes weaker, but if you use AI to challenge your thinking, your mind becomes stronger. The right way to use AI before asking AI. Ask yourself first. Think. Struggle a little. Try to come up with your own answer, even if it's not perfect. Then use AI to compare, to improve, to expand your thinking, not replace it. Because the goal is not just to get answers. The goal is to become someone who can think clearly. Reclaiming your mind, start small. The next time a question comes to your mind, don't rush to search. Sit with it. Think about it. Let your brain work. It might feel uncomfortable at first, slow, frustrating, but that's a good sign. That means your brain is waking up. The real danger is not that AI will take your job or replace humans. The real danger is much deeper. It's that you slowly stop using your own mind. Because once you stop thinking, you stop growing. And once you stop growing, you start drifting. Your brain is one of the most powerful tools you have. But like any tool, it needs to be used, sharpened, challenged. So the next time you're about to ask AI something, pause for a moment, take a breath, and ask yourself, can I think this through before I outsource it? Because the future is not about who has access to AI. It's about who still knows how to think.